In 3, 2, 1. Oh, hey, what's going on, everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today we got some new cases in from Poetic, some durable cases. Shout out to them. They asked if I would be willing to do a drop test using these cases. So I said, yeah, why not? You already know when I get some durable cases in, I got to do a drop test and make sure they are going to protect your device. So we got two cases right here. This one over here is called the Revolution, and this one over here is called the Guardian, and they are both going for around 17 bucks on Amazon, and I will throw some links down in the description below in case you find yourself interested. So we'll throw the cases on, see how they fit, and see if they work with wireless charging. Then we'll go outside and do a couple of drop tests. So the first one we're going to start off with is the Poetic Guardian right here. This is a two-piece case. Now, usually these cases come with a screen protector on them, but since we have the new in-display fingerprint sensor on the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus, they did not provide a screen protector on both of them actually because of that fingerprint sensor. It won't work with the screen protectors they usually provide on these cases. But this one is a two-piece case, so let me go ahead and get the bumper out of it. Now, first thing you want to do is put this on first. Make sure it snaps on pretty good. There we go. As you can see there, got it all good snapped around the sides. And then the next thing you want to do is go with the bottom first. So you kind of just want to slip that in there like that, and then just snap the sides around, and then boom, fits in there nice and tight. Buttons seem to be responsive, working well. Let me check the volume rockers here. Volume rockers working good as well. Bixby button working good. Got all the cutouts, and right here we got some flaps. That way you don't get any dust in them. Although they did not give us a flap for the speaker or microphone, but that is good. You don't want to block that microphone in case you're recording videos or talking on the phone. Then we also got a cutout for the microphone up top. So everything seems to be working good. Got a nice lip on the top and the bottom, and a nice indentation for the camera. That way, in case you drop it flat on its back, you should get no damage. Same thing with the screen if you happen to drop it like that. But of course, we're going to drop test this outside. Let's quickly see if it works with wireless charging. There we go. And it works. So let's go ahead and throw on the next case. So this next case right here is also a two-piece case. As you can see, we got the inside part right here. Let me go ahead and pull that out of there. This one is a little bit tougher to get out with this one. Now the back on this is also a hard shelled back. It also has a kickstand, which we will try out once we get the phone inside. So let me go ahead and throw the phone in. First thing you want to do, just like the last one, you want to put the inside piece on first. Make sure it snaps around the edges, and then go bottom first. Kind of push that in, and then snap it all around the edges, and it fits on perfect. Oh, kind of missed the bottom there. There we go. And it actually fits good. Everything fits good, seems to be in place nice and tight. Feels very durable. Got the kickstand right here. Let's try it out. You want to watch a video? Boom, you can watch videos. Or you want to just have it there to be able to tell time. Maybe you're sitting at the office on the desk or anything like that. You can keep your phone standing up like that as well. Goes back down pretty easily. Got a nice indentation for the camera. Feels very solid. Got some nice hard rubber edges on the sides to protect it from any falls. Got a nice lip on the bottom and the top. Very high lips. Look at that. So if you happen to drop your phone face down, hopefully you should not get any scratches or damages to the screen. All right, buttons seem to be responding good. Let me check the volume. Everything seems good. So now that we got the case on, everything looks, I actually really like the way this one looks, especially in the black. It feels really durable, like it's really going to be able to handle some good drops. So let's go ahead and check out the wireless charging, see how that does. See if it works. And it looks like the wireless charging works as well, so you won't have to worry about that. But so far they look like pretty good cases, so let's go ahead and head outside and do a couple of drop tests and see just how well they will protect your device. All right, so we have made our way outside on this beautiful sunny day. Look at that. But we are out here. I got the Revolution case on right now.
The revolution has begun.
So we're going to go ahead and test it out. As you can see, this device is fully functioning perfectly well. So we're going to see if it still functions well after I drop it, and hopefully no damage gets done to this device. Let me go ahead and turn the screen off. So let's go ahead and get it started. Moment of truth in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that was a pretty good. It went way over here, but let's try it out. Okay, so it looks like it landed on its back. Now, I don't know if you can hear it on the video, but you can hear just how well these hard rubber corners work. Like it was just bouncing off of the corners, which really protected it, and it seems to be working great. I don't see any cracks on the screen, no scratches or anything like that. Camera looks fine, no scratches or anything. So this time I'm going to drop it, kind of throwing it face down like this. So let's go ahead and do it in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, okay. So this time it did land on its face. The kickstand did pop up. So let's go ahead and pop that back down. Let's check the face in 3, 2, 1. And nothing happened. Still looking good, looking great. No scratches, no cracks. So let's go ahead and do it one more time. This one's going to be about face high right here. So I'm holding it pretty high. So here we go. Moment of truth, dropping it at face height in 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was pretty hard right there, but look at this. No damage done whatsoever to the screen. Those are not scratches, those are my fingerprints. Let me go ahead and turn the screen on. Phone seems to be working great, responding well. Button still working properly. No scratches, no cracks on the screen. Camera seems to be in great condition, no cracks or anything like that. So Poetic, you have done very, very good with this case. So on to the next case, the Poetic Guardian, having that nice durable feel and look, but also showing off the beautiful back of your device. Look at that. I honestly think I like the look of this one a lot better than the other one. Even though this one doesn't have the kickstand, it still looks very, very nice. So let's go ahead and do this drop test. You can see screen still functioning good. So let's go ahead and drop it kind of a face down first. This is a little bit higher than waist high. So here we go in 3, 2, 1. Oh man, that landed flat on its back. I'm kind of scared. So obviously the screen got no damage, but the back seemed to be protected very well. I don't see no cracks through the screen protector. So looking good. Camera looks good as well. Just got a little bit of dust. Looking pretty good. All right, let's do it again. This time I'm going to throw it with the, let me turn the screen off. Throw it with the face facing down. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, okay. Let me go ahead. Everything looks good in the back, in the front. I don't see any scratches, any cracks. Looking good so far. So I'm going to kind of do a side drop test. This one's going to be about face high as well. I'm about 5'10", so it's about a 5'10" drop. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, okay, that bounced pretty good. That, like I said earlier, that's what I like about these rubber corners right here. It bounces the device pretty good and protects it, absorbs a lot of that shock, so causing the phone not to get damaged at all. And the back screen looks good. The front screen, it seems like it's working good. Let me get out of this screen right here. Let me open it up. Seems to be functioning properly. Everything looking good. Let me turn it off so we can see if there's any scratches or cracks, which I see none, just my fingerprint. So far it's doing good. Let me go ahead and do one more drop test with this case. Let me go ahead and power this on so you guys can see, yes, this is the real device. I really am throwing it up in the air to try and see if these cases will protect it. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the screen off now. Let me go ahead and throw it about face high again. Like I said, I'm about 5'10". Let's do this in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, okay, let's pick it up. Let's pick it up one more time. Okay, no damage to the screen and no damage to the back. But you know what? I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the case so we can look at the phone as a whole and see if there really isn't any cracks or scratches, because sometimes the case could hide some of those cracks that could be on the back glass. So let me go ahead and take this case off and we'll take a good look at the phone. All right, y'all, so the phone is still actually looking brand new, still looking good. Look at that, no damage done, looking as beautiful as it did from day one. Still seems to be functioning properly. Everything seems good and well. I don't see any scratches, any cracks on the front display. So Poetic, you have done a good job with your cases. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. So there it is. Like I said earlier, if you find yourself interested in any of these cases right here, I will throw the links down in the description below. Like I said earlier, they go for around 17 bucks on Amazon. So go ahead and go check those out. They did a very good job at protecting my device. So if you're someone that is really outdoorsy, or maybe you work a construction job or anything like that, anything that has to do with being outdoors and you need some good protection for your device, these are definitely a great option to go with. But y'all let me know your thoughts down in the comments sections below. If there's any different type of videos that you would like to see, any different kind of ideas for my drop test or just case reviews overall, let me know down in the comments sections below. And of course, y'all know I always take my comments into consideration and try to give all of you what you want. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment sections below. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos to come. Thank you all so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you all on the next one. Peace out.